Hello, we are back, and we're sorry if we are coming after a long delay. Uh, we are starting off with some origami series. Okay, what you see is a magic cube spiral. We're showing you the end result. Uh, let's say the objective of this video is to show you how to build one with origami folding techniques. Okay, this is the final result, and we'll be showing you step by step methodology, let's put it that way, on how to make this. It folds back like a spiral. Yeah, that's the way. Okay, and we'll be starting off with one of the cubes with different colors. This is like an illustrative sample for the magic cube spiral. It involves making individual cubes, and then you stick them together with regular gum, and you can really make beautiful ones. These are for like those interested in origami, and we'll give you a audio description on how to make it. Okay, we'll start off now. Here we go with making of the cube. For first time, like someone planning to make this origami, this may look complicated, but needs very little practice and get the catch of it, and you can make a lot of designs. The first of the origami we started off with were folding cranes. Like you were supposed to fold like a definite number of cranes, so they bring you good luck. That was a Japanese thing, and like my daughter started with like folding cranes. She almost prepared at least 100 plus ones, and she's still on, like I don't know like what number she'll end in with. We'll be going in with preparing of those cranes as well, and she's here now with the box, the first of the box preparation. Yeah, right now rather than the audio, you need to observe how it's done. We'll be repeating with the other colors made as well, so you get the catch of it. Like that's the word for it. She actually practiced with a lot of cubes with all old paper, and we got her all the origami paper to do it, and she's now like has perfected the technique, and she'll be doing with other colored papers to make the chain, spiral chain of boxes, other magic cubes, whatever you want to call them. And the name doesn't really matter, the end result does. Okay, okay. We'll start off with another one, so that someone who has missed on this like will get the catch of it. And then we wouldn't show you with every cube, but that would be boring. Then we'd show you how to join them with glue and regular stationary white glue. Yeah, that would do great. Here we are with the second cube. Most videos she practiced from had no description of how it was done, so like we decided to add a little audio to it to make it interesting, if you find it that way. A blank video, like without anything behind it, just music, like no, like I don't appreciate such videos. There should be some audio describing what's going on. I think like anyone aiming to prepare this box spiral, the magic cube spiral, would have got like how to make those boxes. They work better making the creases on a hard table. We're just making it on the mattress, so like the creases she's perfecting it elsewhere. You could run the video back, like if you're in doubt how it's done. Maybe she's doing it real fast. I think you'd have got a catch of it, like I guess most videos just show you one of how it's made and then how all of them are put together. And this is for like the sake of viewers who are really wanting to make a box spiral. Kids, they want to do it like. There are some others who actually perfect the technique as well and put the videos on. And there are two. We'll make many and we'll show you the process of how they joined. Okay, here we go. We got all the cubes ready. And now we begin the process of joining them together to make the spiral, the magic cube spiral. Okay. The process here is to join those tail ends to the other end of the cube, glue them together, and process repeats. Though may look complicated, it's really not. Idea is to get the individual cubes ready and get as many as possible so the spiral looks really big, like a snake folds onto itself into a small piece. For convenience, we just made quite a few cubes. It's left to the individual person to prepare as many cubes as he wants, as she wants. Let's put it that way. Okay, we're done with the first. We'll join you back after sticking those cubes together and sticking the pad ones of each set to form the spiral. We'll be back with you soon. Hi. Well, now we're back with the pad cubes together. The process of forming the spiral is joining these pad cubes together and we get the magic cube spiral. Now we'll show you how. A circular spread of gum or a glue would actually give you a better spiral, I guess, because that's what my daughter told me. And here we are, almost done. Now, before we pull the spiral apart, we'll just hold them down with a weight. You can put a dictionary or something weighing at least a quarter kg and hold them down for a couple of hours, then we'll be back and ready with the spiral. Okay, here we are back and it's almost done. Almost 1.5 hours old and we feel it's okay to reveal it. That's the big reveal and we'll have the magic spiral cube. That's it, and we could actually add more cubes to this to make it look longer, and the thing that calls it spiral is it folds back in a spiral way. There, you can't simply press it down. There, you can have it really big and it still compresses to become very small. Remember, we originally showed you one that was in white color. That was an illustration are roughly done, and we'll add more colored ones to this to make it look much more bigger, more attractive, and we'll show you the final video clip. Thank you. Hope you like our videos. We'll be adding more on the origami series. There'll be more coming by. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.